Hi guys, are you a person who loves to explore? Do you want to explore what's beneath the water? Are you a person who fears water but will love to see what's under the water? Are you looking for an underwater drone that can give perfect shots? Then this article is of great help. This will ease your worries and will help you find the best underwater drones to eye in the contemporary world. The underwater world is more accessible than before. If you aren't a swimmer and want to see the world inside the water, then now it is possible. The underwater drone cameras help you to discover the world underwater. These drones can be controlled via remote or smartphone. They have high-resolution cameras which help them in capturing the best footage. These underwater drones have made it easier to explore the sea without actually getting wet or without the fear of drowning. This review will help you in selecting the right one for yourself. So, let's get started. Number 10, Sublu White Shark Mix. Now you can get it at around $670. This drone is extremely friendly and has easy-to-use control system. This drone is a starter for anyone who wants to discover undersea life. This is cheaper than all other drones. Despite its small size and weight, it has extreme power. It has the power to explore for 30 minutes with an 11,000 mAh battery and has the ability to reach 40 meters deep. This has protective nets around the propellers which protects the drone from any debris. Moreover, there is no built-in camera. This is an amazing drone for beginners. Revolutionary performance, exciting upgrades, doubling the battery life with fast charge. The White Shark Mix Pro can now remarkably run for 60 minutes and fast charging within just 2 hours. Propel at a remarkable speed, the White Shark Mix Pro can now push up to 1.8 ms at max, or run at 1.2 ms to maximize the using time. The double thrusters is able to release 8 kgf thrust to explore the world underwater. The next is Number 9, Windex Sublu Navbow Smart. Now you can get it at around $950. Features of this product: this is the best underwater drone if you are looking for high-resolution photography. This drone is perfect for getting underwater shots. The Windex underwater scooter has a single-hand control and D-ring and tow cord system which helps to enable the camera to beneath the water. The 60 minutes battery life with a 3-speed switch powers at 2 ms, which makes it reach a maximum depth of 40 m. The grip starts vibrating if the battery gets low. The charging time is merely 2 hours. So, if you are looking for the best photography drone, then this is the best affordable option. Superior performance, 60 minutes battery life, 3-speed switch, 2 ms max speed, 40 m, all these remarkable specifications guarantee the powerful performance you are looking for. Quickly switch between 3 speeds to find new thrills underwater. Top speed at 2 ms, the next is Number 8, Yukon Robot Underwater Drone. Now you can get it at around $1,459. Features of this product: the active tracking system is one of the most important and coolest systems of Yukon. It can lock and track an object if it follows a fish or a scuba diver and keeps it in a frame. Moreover, the 6x zoom feature enables one to see the subject more clearly. The 4K video at 30 frames per second and 12 MP image makes it easy to share and live stream. The most durable robot that has 7 hours of dive time or 5 hours that helps in shooting the best photos. The connection is stable and has multi-transmission technology. The drone can dive up to 100 m in depth. The 1380 lumens LED lights to adjust the brightness, and you can even use them manually. This is to ensure a clear and sharp image by image stabilization. The 1.5 ms speed makes it the fastest drone which can be controlled by phone. The next is Number 7, Gladius Mini S Underwater. Now you can get it at around $1,599. Features of this product: more clearer and more stable, Gladius Mini S captures epic moments with 4K HD video and 12 MP photos. It also comes with a 2.3 Sony CMOS anti-video shake feature, so you can record the beauty of the mysterious underwater world with more stable and vivid UHD video. With the combination of f1.8 lens and 2x1200 lumens LED lights, Gladius Mini S underwater drone can capture underwater details even in low light up to 4 hours of flight time. Equipped with two 4800 mAh batteries, Gladius Mini S underwater drone only takes 3.5 H to fully charge the drone. It can reach up to 4 hours of flight time. This will also work for long hours of construction inspections and underwater exploration. In addition, the next is Number 6, Janino Poseidon I Underwater. The compact ROV with a 120 dive rating and two 4 GHz Wi-Fi buoy, the Poseidon is small enough for an airplane and is great for adventure lovers. The sleek and compact design makes it able to capture photos and videos while scuba diving, fishing, yachting, and snorkeling. The omnidirectional control makes it go into the depths for a long time, as it has a 5-hour-long battery life that enables it to scoot through the water at 4 knots. The 4K resolution makes it use a smart white balance feature to balance the quality even at depths, giving clear shots. Built to dive, the Poseidon I's triple thruster design achieves smooth and accurate navigation in 6 directions such as downward, upward, forward, backward, turn left and right. Built-in posture sensor and self-balance control system ensures steady movements in any situation. Live video feed. Poseidon I's buoy uses a 2.4 GHz frequency to connect with controlling devices. Live stream your underwater journey directly to your smart devices and make it possible to view epic moments in real time. The next is Number 5, 200mm Tether Titan Pro Underwater. Now you can get it at around $2,999. Features of this product: the Tether Titan is an incredible drone that has 150mm that has high-tech ROV and 4K video resolution. The 64GB storage makes it easy to use. It's great for underwater videographers and small salvage operations. This is a bit expensive drone and is agile and can travel at speed of 2 ms. The drone has underwater hovering, self-balancing, and fixed-depth gliding. This drone has a robust design and 4K UHD recording, which helps in capturing underwater footage. The 574-foot dive and 3000 lumen LED light helps in better capturing underwater imaging. The 6 independent multi-directional thrusters for movements help in exploring the movement underwater. The 4K video shots at 30p and 64GB of footage make Titan Deep Diver. The Titan has deep diving and excellent maneuvering, and ROV is useful for underwater exploration, coral reefs, and other fishing activities. The next is Number 4, Chasing Dory Underwater Drone. Now you can get it at around $499. The Chasing Dory Underwater Drone is a great entry-level drone. This has a battery life of 1 hour and can dive 15m down, which makes it perfect for any pool party. To locate the buoy, Dory connects GPS Wi-Fi that can stream 720p live video, save 1080p video, or take photos. The internal storage measures 8 GB. The Dory has two 250 lumens LED lights and has 1.6 aperture. The 100-degree field of view ensures that one doesn't miss anything. Dory has a depth lock and an angle lock that fits into the perfect spot. The lightweight and portable drone nature helps you to take it along while traveling. This has sharing abilities that make it perfect for influencers and content creators who love water sports and sea life. This has a tether that is connected to a waterproof Wi-Fi buoy. This helps in easy tracking in the water. This has a length of 49 feet 15m. The drone is effective and well priced for a beginner. It's compact and easy to transport. The next is Number 3, PowerVision PRW10 PowerRay. This underwater drones is here with the 11% price off. Now you can get it at around $890. The PowerVision PowerRay has the best underwater drone that has a sleek design, a great control system, and a high-quality 4K UHD camera. The drone has a tether cable of an ample 230 feet 70m. The drone has a superb diving ability of 98 feet 30m. It is one of the few drones that have FPV controls. This version has VR FPV goggles that explore underwater and record it well. The PowerRay has a 4K UHD camera and can shoot 12MP that can fire 5 frames per second bursts. It has a 64GB SD card and can take plenty of pictures. This drone can be used for marine research and can locate fish. This makes the fishing experience fun. This 4K video has 1080p streaming to Facebook, WeChat, and Instagram. The multiple control options make it easier and more fun. The PowerRay Wizard PRW10 has VR goggles and uses them for gesture control. The PowerRay has a magnetic bait drop to place the bait. The next is Number 2, Fifish V6 Underwater Drone. This underwater drones is here with the 24% price off. Now you can get it at around $1,299. The Kaisia Fifish V6 is a sophisticated underwater drone that has omnidirectional movement, 4K UHD recording, and superb pilot control. The patented smart thrusters make it the most maneuverable underwater drone on the market. The 4K UHD video, LED lights, and 4.5 hours of battery make it great for oceanographers. This drone can dive up to 330 feet 100 m for underwater exploration. This can be enhanced through optional tether extensions that lengthen it up to 200 feet 300 m. This drone offers impressive flexibility and has omnidirectional movements. The camera has 4K UHD and an aperture of f2.5 that captures the lower light underwater scenes. The camera has a 166-degree view for an impressive wide angle. The 45-degree tilt allows 360-degree movement. The next is Number 1, Gladius Mini Underwater Drone. Now you can get it at around $999. The Gladius Mini Underwater Drone is an expert option when it comes to underwater exploration and recording. The 4K UHD camera, excellent diving abilities, and FPV viewing. Moreover, the camera has an aperture of f3 which makes it great for darker underwater situations. The light levels can be boosted by LED lights. The advanced pilot options make cinematic videos. This mini Gladius can dive deep up to 100 m 330 feet, which makes it great for underwater drones. The 1200 lumen LED lights also include VR goggles for an immersive experience. The 1080p or 12MP camera can record videos in 4K. The 5 stabilizing propellers and a depth hold feature ensure the sharpness. Moreover, the camera settings can be controlled for better image quality. The freshwater buoyancy weight is installed as default with a seawater buoyancy. The heavier the seawater buoyancy helps the drone to sink in salty water. So this is the best option for you to buy.